Welcome back to the Travel Guides channel. Here are a few tips to consider for your next trip. Tip number 1. Find places to eat and drink. If not for an all-inclusive stay, you will need to discover restaurants. And if you're anything like me, one of the best parts of traveling is experiencing local cuisine, dining establishments, and renowned cafes. Asking my Airbnb host or the hotel staff for recommendations is one of my favorite ways to learn about local favorites. However, Google Maps reviews are also quite beneficial. Additionally, I frequently read blogs before trips about the greatest restaurants, undiscovered gems, and my personal favorite while visiting cities, charming rooftop bars with city views. Tip number 2. Get travel insurance. Please don't omit this step even though it is undoubtedly one of the least enjoyable parts of preparing a trip. Naturally, we'll presume everything will go according to plan, but mistakes do occur. I've misplaced my bags, had my laptop stolen, and even developed an illness and ended up in a hospital. You'll be grateful you have travel insurance when something like that occurs, I assure you. What to look for in travel insurance varies in how you travel, where you are going, and even where you are coming from. Tip number 3. Find out if you need a visa and check travel advice. Do you require a visa to enter your travel destination? There are numerous nations that you can visit without a visa depending on your passport. Consult the embassy in your native country immediately if you're uncertain about your visa requirements. If you need to apply for a visa, make sure to do so well in advance of your trip because it could take some time. I'd advise you to examine your government's website for further details about the nation you are traveling to, in addition to seeing if you require a visa. This would include details about safety, regional regulations, natural disasters, required and advised vaccines, and where to go for assistance once you're abroad. Remember that your travel insurance may not protect you if your government issues bad travel advice.